Welcome back to Dagryffyn Hobby. Today I'm hoping to do two things with this video. One, to mention a couple of YouTubers that really inspire me, and two, to try out some new camera angles on the layout. So let me know what you think about the different shots in this video. The color's all off because I was using two different cameras, so I'm gonna have to work on that. There is some vibration in some of the shots, which I tried to minimize, so I'll have to keep working on that as well. I wanted to try something different than just a static shot. So let me know in the comments what you think of those shots, which ones you like, which ones you don't, if you have any suggestions for improving them. I had said I wanted to mention a couple people that inspire me on YouTube. One of them is Bunters Yard. He's just hit 1,000 subscribers. He does a lot of weathering of rolling stock and engines. He's based in the UK, so a lot of that is not American models, but he has dabbled with some. But he does a lot of really great detail work, and it's just kind of amazing to watch. So if you have a second, go check him out. I'll put a link down below in the description. The second YouTube channel I wanted to mention is Scale Dystopia. I like it for a couple different reasons. One, the weathering that he does and the building and the kit bashing that he does for his scenery is just astounding, and I find it very inspiring. I kind of almost want to get to the point of my layout where I can build some buildings so I can use some of the ideas that he's shown in his videos. It's a very cool layout that he's working on. It's like a train layout in a dystopian future. It's cool. It's very cool. If you're a fan of, you know, anything dystopian or apocalypse related, it's definitely worth a look. I'll put a link down below in the description as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any feedback on the camera angles or maybe a different one I could try or how to improve the ones I've done, let me know. I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to go check out Bunters Yard and Scale Dystopia on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on dagryffyn Hobby.